Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi easy method. Power your modem and Xfinity gateway, wait for steady lights, then open Wi-Fi settings. Select the SSID that matches your gateway sticker or Xfinity app name. Enter the password exactly as shown, including capitalization and symbols. If connection fails, restart your device and try again. If issues persist, use the Xfinity app to run diagnostics or contact support for additional help. Open the Xfinity app after signing in and tap the Network tab to view your gateway and Wi-Fi details. The app shows your SSID and password and offers quick buttons to restart equipment or change network settings. Tap the speed test to check performance or manage connected devices to free bandwidth. If you change the password, reconnect each device with the new credentials to restore access across phones, tablets, and smart home gadgets. Quick recommendation: if you're spending time in your car between troubleshooting, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep things smelling great while you work on Wi-Fi. If you're finding this video useful, please subscribe and like to help me make more simple tutorials. I've added a link and deals in the description so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If your device won't connect, start with a simple gateway restart by unplugging power for 30 seconds and plugging back in. Update your device's Wi-Fi drivers or firmware, and forget the network, then reconnect with the correct password. Move nearer to the gateway or remove barriers like thick walls and appliances that cause interference. For persistent slow speeds, run a speed test in the app and contact Xfinity support with your results for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.